back to Low Luck Builds. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the snowbrush kit. They're the same company that the mirrors came from the last TJ video. They contacted me and asked me if I would do a review of their snowbrush kit. The snowbrush kit has 4.8 stars on Amazon and it cost $23 at the time of filming. So let's get to it. I should have been a fishing YouTuber. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. See what's in the box. And here we go. Here's our kit. Got a little bag to keep everything in. Oh, a little pair of gloves. A manual. A rag. And we got our components. Okay. There's our brush and our other squeegee. So we get an extra squeegee. This a little hand scraper, nice. And then here's our main handle. Nice little kit for $22. Let's get it together. Alright, let's do a quick assembly of this. I already stuck these two together, just snap them in. So we're going to take our hand scraper, we're just going to snap it in, rotate this around. And if you put the other one on this side, it'll be loose, so you'll know you have the wrong side. So we're going to go ahead and put this one in, same thing, push down, snap in. And that's how it assembles. You can push right here and extend that out so it gets longer. And one of the kind of neater features of this is right here where you push. You can turn it to different angles, just like that. My personal favorites like this on my Suburban. And there you go, fully assembled. So let's take it outside and see how well it clears off the snow. There's no snow. Oh, there's a little bit there. Hold on. Let's make this work. It works. Works. Give you an idea how long this thing is with both attachments. It's pretty much as wide as my car. I like it though. With the Suburban out there, it's nice to have the extra length. So overall, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I think it's gonna be something that's gonna last a year or two, and then you're gonna be rebuying it. But at $22, it's a pretty good snow brush. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you like automotive DIY videos, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.